What is up, everyone? So this is just a clip kung anong ginagawa ko ngayon. As you can see, I'm so sweaty. I'm so sweaty and kasi magkakameron na kami ng room renovation. This is our room before. But as you can see, sobrang kalat. Tanggal ko na yung mga sampayan dito. This mga kalat, diba? Yan yung mga damit namin. Transfer ko na. And yan, ang lilinisin ko pa. Ooh, let's do this! Yan. Can't wait for the final reveal. Look at my sweat. Ko lang yung mga nakalagay dyan. Last one there. Let's go. Okay, tatagtagan natin ito ng pako. Hindi ako maalam. First na. Oh, diba? Di pala nyo kita. Hindi nyo kita eh. So guys, papakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano update. So this is the before. Ganyan, same lang kami ni Kuya. And this is the after ng kakapagod. Ko ni Daddy. Thank you, Daddy, for helping me do this. So yan. But anyways, yun pa lang update. Nakakapagod talaga. Kasi tatanggalin mo pa yung mga pako. Hindi lang basta tatanggalin yung mga kahoy. For the new room. This is my first injury. Wait lang. This is my first injury. Plano po tayo ng pako. Good morning, everyone! May echo na tayo ngayon, no? It's day 2 today, and let's play some music muna. Hey Google, play Chill Hits.
Alright, here's the Spotify playlist called Chill Hits.
This is just an update, guys, sa aming room. Natanggal ko na lahat. Nandiyan na lahat ng mga kahoy. And Kuya's side as well. Ito na lang yung tatanggalin pa. But, di-divide na kasi itong room namin into 2. That's why, tinasting ko, nilagay ko yung bed. Kunwari, division siya. And tinignan ko kung kasya pa siya. And malaki pa naman yung space. Diba? Good. I'll just show you. Yan yung mga kalat. Soon you'll be gone. I finished. I'm gonna give you guys a room tour. When you enter, you can see that there's a big space na, and dito lang yung stuff ni Kuya. Yung mga pinagtanggalang kahoy, mga tornilyo, and yun yung dalawang beds. Sinave namin yung dalawang beds kasi i-reuse na lang namin sila. It's finally clear. Stress na yung mukha. Haggard pala, hindi stress.
my math.
Thanks for helping me divide. My beautiful sister. Math is lagging. Yun yung division. Didividean yung room. Para dalawa na yung room. This is my area and this is Kuya's area. This is my door. Yung update ngayon, it's been, I don't know for how long it took. And look at the mess. What is up everyone? Nakapagpagupit na ako pero nung 2 days ago pa, but I would just like to give you an update on our room. Nakabit na yung door ko. As you can see. Wait, buksan natin yung ilaw. It is over here. Nakabit na yung door ko. Yay! So this is where you enter. Malamang. Naging dalawa na yung dito, door dito. Yan yung original door and this is the new door. And when you enter, ano makikita nyo? So wala pang masyadong ganap. As you can see nung isang araw, di ba parang yung butas niya is ginawa na din siyang square para tatagpian na lang dyan ang panibago. Meron ng bird nest. Ito yung part ko. This is gonna be my room. And as you can see yung division meron dyan. Yan yung division and can't wait for the final result of course. It's coming together now. And yung bahay namin, tinaklaban ko lahat ng ganyan kasi nung nagbutas ng dingding, madaming gabok as you can see dun sa vlog ko. Kaya kailangan talaga may taklob yung mga gamit namin. Puro kalat. But hopefully soon, magiging maayos din yan. Hi guys, I just finished my class 11:55 p.m. na and I just like to give you an update on what's happening na sa room ko. Na masilihan na, it looks scary para mas smoothen out na ang mga, yung mga pinagtanggalan ng mga pako. Oh, I'm so dark. But yeah, yan, pati yung sa door area ko and I'm super excited to move in because I really want to have my own room na. But anyways, that's it. I forgot to vlog pero dumating na yung divider and pang kisame I guess. Pero dumating na din yung mga bakal na yung pang loft bed. Got the dividers on, hindi pa tapos. And this is my part. So wala pa. Ayun, ito yung nalagay. Progress is progress. Yun na yung bunk bed. Yan. Diyan kami aakyat. Meron na kaming divider, complete yung divider, and meron na din akong bunk bed or yung loft bed. So as you can see, yan. This is my bunk bed, hindi pa siya tapos i-welding but meron ng wall divider and this is going to be my bed. Pero nakaupo kong ganyan and ito yung parang living room area namin. Yeah, wala pang kisame and anything else kasi hindi pa tapos. What's up everyone? It's been a long time since I last update you guys about my room. Ang next na ginawa is this. Meron akong switch. Pinturahan na din to ng primer. Ayun lang. Ayun pa lang. I'm so excited to stay here and sleep here and decorate it. Hopefully soon. Cushion. Looking carpet for a room.
From IKEA. Okay, that's good.
What's up guys? After I don't know how many months or days. Finally, meron na namang bago sa ating renovation. As you can see, dito pala walang bago. Pero ito, pinutas because of the wirings. And sa room ko, may bago. Meron ng taklob yung kisame ko. Meron na din dito. So, yeah! Parang mas kita nyo. Yan, butas na yan. Even this one. I mean, butas! Na-fix na yung kisame dyan. Hey guys, I'm going to give you an update. Ooh. So, minamasilyahan na. Uy, pati pala ibabaw. Uy, ang galing, ang bilis. Very good. Meron na pala akong sweet. Dito lang. Pinturahan na ng white yung isa kong wall, pero yung dalawang sides hindi pa. Here you go. Yan na yung other side of the wall. Yan yung gusto kong paint. Parang yan yung gusto kong pagka-gray ng... So excited for this room. So excited to film here. So it's the next day, or I don't know. And may update. Meron na kaming painted walls. And ito na lang yung kulang. Wala pang paint to kasi as you can see, parang minasilyahan pa. And to check kung wala ng mga parang mga cracks or something. But this is almost finished. Yung walls kasi. But tomorrow is Sunday, so wala magagawa bukas. But yeah, this is an update. Can't wait. I can't wait to share it to you guys. So here's one. Yung pinaliit na version kasi yung una nagawa is medyo malaki para sa room namin kasi maliit nga yung room namin. Hindi ko makita kasi nandyan yung opening. Parang hindi pantay. And ito yung, yan yung closet. Laki niya. Nakasarap pa siya pero here, parang sobrang laki niya for a room. Like, and ang plano is papaliitin yan. I'm just going to give you guys an update on my room. Nakagawa na ng stairs. Dalawa na yung stairs na nagawa. Can you see it? Wait. And this is our closet. And ito yung mga magiging for drawers. Yung steps for the drawers. Yan. Nilagay na yung stairs ko. What is up everyone? I'd just like to give you an update about my pimple. Look, I have big pimple here and ito sugatan siya, but this is a big pimple. But anyways, point of this video is I'm going to show you the update on our room. So this is the current situation. I think I already filled yung stairs. That's where the drawers are gonna be. What we are going to do is remove the tapes. I just recently bought this wood planks. Yeah, I bought this at Shopee. It's just for 49 pesos each. And I'm gonna put this as steps. The finished product. Floors from Shopee. What? Wow. Hey guys, so today I'm moving in. Well, I'm putting my things first. Time lapse na ako. Bye. find my pimple. See, I'm currently fixing my room. I will be fixing my closet. So watch me. Because we are inside our new room. Like what? I just like to say thank you to mom and dad for giving me this. No, this wouldn't be possible without them. I love you so much. This is the best Christmas gift ever. And also thank you God for providing for us. You know, sino mag-aakala na ngayong pandemic, ngayong quarantine, kakaroon ako ng kwarto. Thank you God for providing for us. And also I'm posting this video today. So Merry Christmas everyone and Happy Birthday Jesus. This is my Christmas gift sa inyong lahat kasi matagal ako nawala sa YouTube. And yeah, I'm filming inside my room now. I just like to welcome you guys into my room. And if you want to have a room tour, just comment it down below and I'll do that for you. Sana panoorin nyo pa rin yung mga videos ko, lalo na parating na ang bagong taon. I hope magkaroon tayo ng fresh start kasi, you know, madaming hindi naging okay ngayong pandemic and it's okay not to be okay. But anyways, keep safe everyone, practice social distancing well, enjoy your time with your family, and I'll see you again next time. See you 2021. Bye.